Do you want to do something impactful around improving access to anti-obesity medications? Instead of just talking about it or complaining about it, do something. Now, today. HHS has been asking for feedback and comments about policy reform. As an American citizen who is likely being adversely affected by our healthcare system, you have a right to have your voice be heard. They also have a form for submitting comments directly to HHS at any time. It's a bit more clunky, but it won't take long. What follows is how to do that. It won't take long, and it won't make your brain hurt. First, go to this website. You will get a submission form with a series of boxes. You obviously have full agency to put in whatever you want, but if overwhelm or indecision is holding you back, simply retype what I'm telling you here. It's 100 times better than nothing. It's easy to ignore a handful of doctors, but what if HHS got 10,000 comments about removing the exclusion for anti-obesity medications? It would be much more impactful and much harder to ignore. This is advocacy. It's not hard, it's not offensive, it's not painful. Okay, here's the step-by-step guide. Pause this video as many times as you need to. Okay, first box, put this. Centers for Medicare and Medicaid Services, CMS, under HHS. Box 2, 42 C.F.R. 423.100, Prohibition on coverage of anti-obesity drugs under Part D. In box 3, put your name, or don't, but it's harder for policymakers to ignore real people with real names. Box 4, check the first option, Notice of Proposed Rulemaking. Box 5, Medicare Part D Anti-Obesity Drug Coverage Exclusion. Box 6, Summary of Justifications. You could go on and on here, but this sums it up nicely. This exclusion denies medically necessary treatment for the disease of obesity. Covering evidence-based medications supports public health, reduces downstream costs, and aligns with chronic disease management. Box 7. I'm not really sure why you have to include these next few, but it's government, and we certainly don't want to give them any reason to discard your submission. U.S. Department of Health and Human Services, Centers for Medicare and Medicaid Services, 7500 Security Boulevard, Baltimore, Maryland, 21244. Same thing with box number 8. CMS Office of Strategic Operations and Regulatory Affairs. Phone number 202-690-7118. Email regs@cms.hhs.gov. Box 9 wants some background. Again, feel free to elaborate away, but here's the very basics. Part D's exclusion of weight loss drugs dates back to initial benefit design. Despite FDA approval and clinical necessity, coverage remains prohibited unless prescribed for another condition, for example, diabetes. Box 10, same thing. In a nutshell, it contradicts medical necessity of obesity treatment, increases health disparities, and denies patients access to proven therapies. Now we are back to things that they should already have internally, but we don't want our submissions to be thrown out. So take a few seconds and fill them out. Box 11, remove 42 CFR 423-100 exclusions, remaining Part 423 provisions intact and renumbered. Box number 12, Mehmet Oz. And box number 13, Administrator, Centers for Medicare and Medicaid Services. Then, agree and continue. Then, submit. That's it. Do it now. Send it to other people that you know who are frustrated with the lack of obesity coverage. Let's do something about this.